Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm answering the question, can you transfer money from Chime to Cash App? And the answer is yes, it is possible. How do you do that? By adding Chime to Cash App. So let me show you how it's done. The first step you need to take is open your Cash App account, log in, then go to the Add Cash section. Link your Chime account to Cash App. Then you add funds from your Chime account to Cash App. It's as simple as that. Now it's important for you to consider the transfer fees, because there will be potential transfer fees and transfer limits which Cash App has. So make sure you've checked out Cash App's transfer limits and ensure you have sufficient funds. By linking your Chime account to Cash App, you can easily transfer funds between the two platforms. Hope you found the video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.